In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, open Messages or any other area where you can input some text. Click on a new one. And here you've got your current keyboard language. To change it, click on Settings, pick Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and just select the language from the following list, so the one that you want to apply. As you can see, we have plenty of choices, so you will definitely find something suitable. So this is the end of the list, and let me pick Hebrew, tap on Done. Now you can remove unnecessary language if you want to. You can also stay with both and then switch between languages by tapping on space. But as you can see, this is our current language, the new one. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.